Well, we talked a little bit about this on KIMT News 3 First at 4. At a time when the automotive industry is taking a devastating hit, RV sales are up 650%, and RV rentals are up 1,000%. George has been taking a look at those trends.
Yeah, and Katie, this is National RV Week. And while that's obviously something some sales and PR people came up with to give the RV industry a boost, they couldn't have anticipated the impact of this pandemic on sales and rentals of RVs. The big advantage of an RV vacation, the ability to social distance. It is just you and whoever you are traveling with in your trailer. Also, during the peak of the pandemic, many hotels were closed as families went on spring break. A rented RV can cost as little as $55 a night, much cheaper than a room at the Hilton. And automotive journalist Mike Caudill says an RV vacation gives a family the chance to get back to nature and do some fishing.
So here's what's great, and I love fishing, and what we have seen across the country is that not only is the RV industry up, but outdoor sports or outdoor things like fishing are through the roof. And I fish here in Nashville, Tennessee. It's a big part of who I am. I am on Old Hickory Lake. And what's great about fishing is that it's something that I can do with my kids. I have a 13-year-old and I have a 10-year-old. And for me, it's just about getting back to nature a little bit.
Yeah, Caudill points out that we are in a chaotic time, and fishing, along with other outdoor activities, are an opportunity to stay close as a family. And it seems apparent that mentality is benefiting the RV industry right now. My 8-year-old son is up in Anoka County today fishing with his grandpa. No RV involved, but hopefully there'll be lots of dogfish and sheep's head to catch.
I'm sure he's having a good time.